Imagine a nativity scene where each character is a unique car. Every vehicle holds its own story, a testament to the evolution of automotive technology. Picture the birth of this industry, a time when smoke-belching, horseless carriages were a novelty, a sight to behold. At the forefront of it all were pioneers like Carl Benz, known as the father of the automobile, who gifted us the motor wagon in the late 19th century. Then there was the visionary, Henry Ford, who revolutionized car production with his assembly line, making cars accessible to the masses. The first cars were fascinating, with wooden wheels and no windshields. Did you know that these vehicles were started with a crank? Yes, drivers had to physically turn a crank to get the engine running. From these humble beginnings, cars have come a long way. Let's explore how. As we step into the time machine, we see the first major shift in automotive technology, the transition from horse-drawn carriages to motor vehicles. Imagine a world where the clatter of hooves is replaced by the purr of engines, a world where the reins give way to the steering wheel. This was the remarkable reality faced by our ancestors in the late 19th century. The year is 1886, and the birth of the first modern automobile is marked by Carl Benz's motor wagon. Powered by an internal combustion engine, this three-wheeled wonder was a far cry from the sleek machines we see today. But it was a start, a spark that ignited the automotive revolution. Fast forward to the early 20th century, and we see Henry Ford's Model T rolling off the assembly line. This was not just a car, it was a symbol of mass production and affordability, a vehicle that brought mobility to the masses. As cars became more prevalent, so did the need for safety and convenience. Enter the invention of windshield wipers in 1903, a small but significant milestone that made driving in adverse weather conditions safer. By mid-century, cars were no longer a novelty but a necessity. The development of automatic transmission in the 1940s made driving more accessible to a wider population, removing the need for manual gear shifting. As the decades rolled on, safety became a paramount concern. Seatbelts, introduced in the 1950s, and airbags, introduced in the 1970s, became standard features in cars. These innovations not only made cars faster and more efficient but also safer and more comfortable. But the evolution of cars didn't stop there. The turn of the 21st century saw the rise of electric vehicles, hybrid technology, and self-driving cars. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's marvel at the journey we've taken so far. From horse-drawn carriages to motor vehicles, from the assembly line to automatic transmission, from windshield wipers to airbags, the evolution of cars is a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. These innovations not only made cars faster and more efficient but also safer and more comfortable. Fast forward to the present day and we are witnessing another major shift in automotive technology, the rise of electric vehicles. As the curtain lifts on this new act, we find ourselves in an era where cars are no longer just mechanical beasts, but sophisticated machines harnessing the power of electricity. Electric vehicles, or EVs as they're commonly known, are rewriting the rules of the road. They're not just about reducing our carbon footprint, although that's a significant benefit. With zero tailpipe emissions, they're helping us breathe easier and contribute to a cleaner, healthier planet. But the benefits of EVs don't stop at environmental impact. They're also more economical to run. With fewer moving parts than their gasoline counterparts, maintenance costs are lower. Plus, the cost of electricity is less volatile than gas prices, which brings stability to running costs. Technological advancements are another cornerstone of the electric revolution. From regenerative braking systems that capture and reuse energy, to the promise of autonomous driving, EVs are at the forefront of innovation. Companies like Tesla have played a pivotal role in this shift. By making electric cars desirable and accessible, they've helped to accelerate the adoption of this technology. In the grand theater of automotive history, electric vehicles are the new protagonists. They're not just a novelty or a fad. They're a testament to our ability to innovate and adapt, to envision and create a more sustainable future. As we move towards a greener future, electric vehicles are set to play a crucial role. The world of cars is a fascinating journey, filled with innovation, excitement, and surprises. Every turn of the ignition key, every mile driven, every shared memory, they all form a piece of this incredible saga. We've cruised through the history, witnessed the milestones, and glimpsed into the electrifying future. Now we want to hear your tales. What do you foresee for the future of automotive technology? So, buckle up, share your thoughts, and join us on this exciting journey into the world of cars.